So in this video, I'll show you guys how to get a custom domain on Shopify in under 2 minutes, whether you're buying one through Shopify or connecting a domain on your own. First, if you want to buy a brand new domain directly from Shopify, go to your Shopify admin and click settings, then domain. Next, hit buy new domain. Search for the name you want, and Shopify will show you what's available. Once you find the one you like, click buy, complete checkout, and that's it. Shopify sets it up automatically, no extra steps needed. If you already have a domain you need from a provider like GoDaddy or Namecheap, no problem. In that same domain section, click connect existing domain. Type in your domain and Shopify will give you the DNS settings you need. Just log into your domain provider, update the A record to Shopify's IP address, and the C name record to point to Shopify. Then go back and hit verify connection. It might take a few minutes to fully connect. Once your domain is ready, click change primary domain to make it the main URL for your store. And then don't forget to enable the SSL certificate.